All right, welcome back. We are on level 5 of lesson 20, collision detection. So now we're getting into the debugging. So it says debugging collisions. All right, the balloon is popping before the tach touches it. You can use the debug block to get more information about the bug in the program. So let's see what we've got going on here. All right, we got a balloon, we got a tach. All right, let's see. Oh, uh-oh, I didn't get anywhere near it. Let's reset that and look again. All right. All right, now, So it says do this. Run the code and use the arrow keys to move the tach to pop the balloon. Well, we did that. Change the code on line 4 from false to true. All right, line 4, balloon.debug, so from false to true, okay? The line should now be balloon.debug gets true. All right, correct. Debug the tach sprite, drag out a new debug block, set the tach sprite's debug property to true. All right, well, first let's reset. Okay, so we can see here that this is the collision. When this tach touches this, it goes pop. All right, so we need check if a tach is touching the balloon. Oh, wait, debug the tach sprite. Okay, so let's do that first. So sprite.debug, we're going to put right there. We're going to say tach true. All right, so error, we have to put this under here because it hasn't been created yet. So now let's reset and run it again. All right, so here's the tach. It looks fine. Here's the balloon. It does not look fine. All right, run the code again and then discuss with your partner why the balloon is popping early. All right, so sure pop. Okay, so it's touching the green box. All right, resize the balloon animation to fix this. Go into the animation tab, crop the balloon image using the crop tool on the right side of the screen. Run the code again to see if the issue is fixed. All right, so animation screen, there's the balloon. All right, we're going to click the crop button right here, so crop the sprite. Beautiful. All right, so with that, we're going to go back to code and run it. All right, so now that green collider box is much closer. So we should be able to get much better. Yeah, pop. Okay, beautiful. So with that, we're going to turn this to false. We're going to turn this to false, and we're going to run it one more time. All right. Yeah, that looks much better. All right, and so that is level 5. I will see you on level 6. Here we go.